Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm decorating my planner spread for the week of April 21st to the 27th. This is the last week in the April section of my planner, so the last April spread technically. But I do have, it does roll over into next week, and my nephew's birthday is next week and I'm going to Disney to celebrate that, so I'll do a Disney spread that week. This week I wanted to actually use a new sticker book. I was planning on using a different one, but since I got some new books, I wanted to feature them. So I have this new book from the Happy Planner. It's called Color Coordinate, and it's kind of like if you're from like OG planner days, Happy Planner days, there were sticker books called Color Story, and that's basically what this is. It's a different version of Color Story. So you have a few sticker sheets here that kind of coordinate with each other. They're a little bit different, but I think it'll make like a nice eclectic kind of spread. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets right here will coordinate together to make a spread. So I thought this would be a fun book to use to decorate for this week. Because I wanted something pretty quick and simple. I don't know yet which one. I really like the front one. This one's really pretty, but I think I want to do this. This one's really pretty too. Blues and purples. Oh, the coffee one's good too. That one's pretty. There's a nice variety. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do this coffee theme, or this like more neutrally toned one. This is the one. Okay. Oh, I'm like ripping the page out on accident. So let me see. Let me see what I have to work with here. I'm going to try my best to use just this one book. Now I'm second guessing my pick. I think I want to do this one. It means it feels more springy. Yeah, let's do this one. Okay, sorry, changed my mind. That's okay. I'm going to take this sticker first and put it on the sidebar over here. A little note to self. Okay, so that's good there. And okay, definitely want to use this piece. This one's really pretty. And maybe I can layer it with another box. Okay, even though these are very different, like this is a floral theme, seashell, sea theme, sky theme, I guess. I'm mixing them together because they're all in this section. It's going to be very eclectic looking, I feel, but I think it'll look cool. So I'm going to go with it and stick this for the weekend. And we'll stick this here, layer that on top. I'm trying to think of what my plans are this weekend. Oh, I need to get an oil change. So I will be taking care of that this weekend. Very much needed. Actually, I'm gonna put a little remember sticker here for that. I can write that in. Okay, let's see what else I got here. Okay, I got these fun checklists. Let's do this one for. This is a nice long checklist. Usually Sundays are my busy day where I do errands, so that's a nice list. But I kind of want to move this over just a little bit so it's not touching. Okay, that's better. Cool. Ooh, I like this, good vibes. Okay, I have another little checklist. Again, it's very eclectic because nothing matches. Like, you'll have one checklist that looks like one type of checklist, and that's it. But I think it'll be cool. It'll look cool in the end. Okay, there's a checklist. Oh, you know what? I didn't check to see if there's another. Okay, there's these little ones. So I think I need to move this one over here to Monday. because this for me tends to be a busier day compared to the beginning of the week. And then I'll take this one and put this one over here. All right, let's do a box. I want to layer. Those. Maybe with this. Okay, so I'll put this. Okay, so this will go here. I'm gonna cover up most of this, but at least the quote will still be there. I think that's good. And then I could put the little moon over here. And we got little stars. Okay, looks good. We have a little reminder sticker. I'll stick that over here to get some of this darker blue color. Let's do This Is So Good. There. Okay. I really like these quotes, but I'm gonna do more functional boxes first. So we got a circle, and I have this box. Oop. Oops, oops, oops. Okay, so I kind of want to put it this way, just so it's not the same like that, and it'll fit over here. So this box will go here, and I'll just cover up the noted since it's the wrong direction, but the florals look fine, so I think that works. I just put it down a little crooked, but that's okay, it's fine. It's all good. Okay, I got a little today sticker over here. Today. We have a to-do sticker. I'll put over here. All right, then I got some decorative stickers I'm gonna put down too. I have these cute little birds, so definitely putting some birds down. Let's see, we'll put one. Let me cover up the note. Little bird. And then I'll put the other bird over here. Oh, this bird's cute. He looks like he's sleeping, so I'll put him over here. Just chilling. Adorable. And then, okay, I have these little seashells. Again, it's gonna be very eclectic, like random stuff. Whatever the theme is, I'm going with it. So I have florals. Put florals here. A starfish can go randomly somewhere. I'm gonna put a quote here actually. So let me hold off. Well, maybe I'll put it here. Lightly put it there. But I want to put a quote. Ooh, I like this good vibes. I completely forgot this page. I just totally, did I? Oh no, I took some things, but then I forgot it was here. So let's go with good vibes here. We like good vibes. Good vibes are good. Let's do some of these little headers. We got priority and important. come on. Okay, important. And priority. I think it looks cute. Even though it's a lot of random stuff, it's super cute. Okay, we got these little to-dos. I like these. These are cute too. A little to-do sticker. Oops, I ripped it. Kind of ripped it, but we're still gonna use it. So I'll just stick it here. A little to-do. I want to quote. I don't think I'll be able to fit a quote. So unless I do something here, but I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stick florals down. More florals. So, do this one. This one can go. Kind of want it here, but now this cute little sticker is in the way, so it must be moved. Okay, we're just gonna stick it here. All right, and then I have these little stars that can kind of scatter around. Yeah, it's random, but I like it. I like the randomness. So totally, yeah, it's coming out cute, I think. Let's see, I have another one here. Let's do it here. Adorable. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, I stuck this here, but I kind of don't like that you can't really see it. It's kind of blocked a little bit, so we're just gonna stick it here. Okay, I think that works. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's super cute. Okay, it works. So let's see what else I can stick down. All right, so we have okay, I have these little headers. Do I want to use those? I don't know. Oops, I'm ripping the pages out. I really like this quote, but I don't think I have enough room for it. Like, it would have been cute here, but yeah, I don't have enough room. So maybe this noted. This is like very purple over here. I'm trying to introduce more colors. Oh, you know what? Is there something else I can bring here? No. I think it just looks nice though with all those colors, even though it's very the same. I like it. Okay, I have this Think Happy, Be Happy. There's lots of happy on the page though already. So maybe that won't really be like a little too much. So no on that one. Keep life fun. I just think I have too many quotes. Yeah. I'll stick a little starfish over here. Good vibes. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that quote that I really liked. This Find Your Way. see if I can find a way to add this. Basically, I mean, I guess I could put it here. Let me move this little sticker without ripping it. Okay. And then this will go and then here. Okay, I'm gonna do little moving things just to make this work a little bit better. So we'll put this to here, just give this a little space. This find your way will go here. Okay, I like that. And then I feel like I should, just because whenever I have something that flies, I should put a little flying trails. This one won't have a big one, but it'll have a little, just a little bit. This one can have a longer one going into that sticker. Okay, that works. Cute. Okay, it's very random, lots of different themes, but it goes together pretty well, I think. Yeah, super adorable. And it's nice to just only have like 5 stickers to work with. So you'll be sticker sheets to work with. So there are 1, 2, 3, what is it, 6, 4, yeah, I think there's 6 obviously because there's 30 pages in here and 5 of each theme. So 6 themes in here that you could decorate 6 really cute spreads. I like it. It's random, but I like it. All right, so that is going to be it for this video. If you're interested in this book, it is currently available from the Happy Planner. I always have my affiliate link down in the description if you're interested in purchasing, but that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.